Dorner Manufacturing presents Aquagard 7350 series conveyors. Stainless steel conveyors for dry, wipe down, and wet applications. Dorner Aquagard 7350 series conveyors are perfect for a variety of industries and applications, including packaging and secondary packaging, bakery and snack foods, confectionery, health and beauty, pet foods, and more. The conveyor features a sleek and durable frame design with minimal horizontal surfaces, as well as a tip-up tail option for easy maintenance, fast cleaning, and minimized downtime. Aquagard 7350 series conveyors are available in widths from 152mm to 914mm and lengths between 914mm to 2500mm, and can handle loads up to 341 kilograms. Constructed with a 304 stainless steel frame, Aquagard 7350 series conveyors are available in straights, curves, nose-over, and LPZ or Z-frame configurations. The belted model features precision V-guided belt tracking for reliability. The modular belt design offers an innovative and safe chain design that allows for up to 4 curves on a single conveyor. Both belted and modular belt models can be equipped with a nose bar option for smooth product transfers. Additionally, curved conveyors can be equipped with a slave-driven powered transfer for continuous transfer of parts as short as 75mm long. Aquagard 7350 series conveyors are also available in a positive drive model. With excellent abrasion and tear resistance, the positive drive belt provides increased load capacity and reduces slipping in wet environments. Aquagard 7350 series conveyors are available with a variety of guiding options, stands, and accessories, as well as a full line of motor and control options. Through our Engineered Solutions group, Dorner can provide a variety of solutions for product handling, including product separation, spacing, staging, merging and diverting, metal detection, and more. Dorner sets the industry standard for rapid delivery, with stainless steel conveyors shipping in as little as 10 business days. Dorner is proud to provide industry-ready solutions. All Aquagard 7350 series conveyors are BISC certified and constructed with FDA-approved belting and components. Using Dorner's online configurator, you can design and engineer simple or complex conveyors to meet your needs in minutes. The industry-leading tool delivers a complete 3D CAD assembly model for instant validation of fit. Dorner conveyors come standard with the peace of mind of the Dorner 10-year warranty. Talk to a Dorner representative today to find out if Dorner's Aquagard 7350 series conveyors are the right solution for your facility. Dorner Aquagard 7350 series conveyors, transforming conveyor automation with innovative stainless steel conveyor solutions.